welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my bed area. So first we start with the drawers. The drawers, what's up here? I'm not tall. And these are where I put all my pants and shirts. And over here is where a bunch of shirts, socks, and and this is where my pajamas. I really like this one. It's like a pun, a bear pun, or like a sleep pun. I don't know. Then we come in here. Here's where I do my coloring, my crayons, and this is for my lights. Which one do you like better? That one? Yeah, that one's a little bit too much, but that one. Nah. Yeah, we're keeping that one. Okay, and this is where I do all my math, like my times math. I'm on the 5. My cat puzzle, still working on it. And over here, I have Spot It. Do you know this game? Spot It? It's like the best game ever. This is where I keep all my teeth that fell off. These are still growing. You can't really see them, but there's one right there. You see? One right there, one right there. This is Ella's book. My tablet that I got for Christmas. Yeah, I think it was for Christmas. And this is my math that I do. And I did this little challenge with my sister Sammy. It's an app where you have to draw, and this is Barack Obama on a vacation. There's a lot of rocks here. Don't know what's that doing there. This over here, this is kind of like Scramble, except there's it's just like making words. It's like the only thing you have to, whoa. I did not see all this. It's just on the light. You already know that. Now, I'll show you the top. So let's get up. Hello. So, now that we're up here, hello everybody. Oh, my legs are tired. So, the first thing that we have is my tents. The second thing that I have is this. Oh my gosh, I just whatever. My giant, not fluffy, but squishy cat that I got for Christmas from my mom and dad. Thank you, Mom. It's so squishy. If you guys were here, you would know what I'm talking about. It's like and this that I also got for my birthday. Wait, no, this is what I got for Christmas. What? Why did I say birthday? Okay, this is what I got for Christmas. This is what I got for my 8th birthday. It's another video on YouTube. Don't forget to watch it. And it's like a toy that turns into a sweater. I'll show you. It's inside out. It's inside out right now. Go. Now we have not really it's the school's library book. It's just, I just got the book, so I have to return it after 1 week, and then after 1 week, I was gonna return it on Friday, but cool. I'm gonna return it, obviously. But I love this book. It's when they save. It's a robot rescue when there was a plasma drill. It was in Europa in space. Europa is the moon, one of the moons of Jupiter or Mars. No, Jupiter. And there was this Castrobot robot. That's Castrobot. And he activated the plasma drill. It's like a drill to go dig under the freezing cold ice, so they can find liquid water. And if they find liquid water, they can find organisms living in the water. And then there was a gas pocket, and it all exploded. And then Castrobot, and what else? Oh. By the way, don't be too crazy at how much cat stuff I have here, but a cat blanket. I am in love with cats, okay? And this is my regular plain pillow. So regular and plain. And what else?
Ya estuvo.
I'm coming down. Oh, and my mom said that she's gonna get like a bean bag to put under here. So I'm like, okay. Oh, I forgot to show you this. I want to watch this movie so bad, but it like just came out, so it costs like $30 to watch it. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, don't forget to give like a double thumbs up. Like thumbs up.